Hi there, it's Simon here. I hope you are well. Stay tuned for a lesson on Better Be Home Soon by Crowded House. See you in a sec. Hey there, how are you? I hope you are well. Today's lesson is on Better Be Home Soon by Crowded House. Before we do get into that, please do subscribe and click the bell for notifications of new lessons. They happen on Tuesdays and on Saturdays. And if you are able to support the channel, you can do that at Patreon from $3 a month. Now, enough of that. Let's get to this tune. We're going to play a bunch of open chords. We're going to get around a bar chord by slightly cheating. It's a very strong word, cheating, but let's say we're going to arrange it so that we don't have to worry about bar chords whatsoever if you haven't got to those yet. So that's cool. And the strumming pattern, we're going to basically play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a... Now, what I'd like you to do first is just chuck a C on and try and make it sound a bit like that, so you get this big, small, big, small, big, small, big, 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 small. You see what I mean? So that way the kind of the rhythm gets carried a little better than just kind of, yeah? How you do the big small is just try not to put too much of an arc into your right arm, right? So if you're doing this kind of, it's going to be hard to have control over your right arm. So you can play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2, okay? Next chord is A minor, bar of C, bar of A minor, bar of E minor, bar of G. Now, if you like, it's actually quite handy to learn how to play G this way, 3, 2, 4. Yeah? Because in a sec, we're going to do some cool stuff with our first finger here. So being able to play it that way round and that way round and all that kind of stuff is always going to be helpful. So the more ways you can play it, the better. So that 4-bar round, C, A minor, E minor, G major, is the round of the verse. And then when we hit the chorus, we're going to hit 1, 2, 3, 4, C7, which is just like a regular C, except you put your little finger here on B flat, which is the dominant 7th of C, hence C7. 1 and 2, then we're going to hit an F. Now, if you don't want to do F like that, that's fine. So I've got my first finger flat across the first, second, third. If you're feeling a bit fancier, you can play F with a C bass. Yeah. If you're feeling even fancier, you can put your thumb over the F. Or if you've hit bar chords already. Okay? So any of those Fs is fine. If you're doing the kind of grab chord, what you can do is lift your second finger to play F sus2. So that you get this kind of, you can do like a little hammer on there, which is quite nice. So you like, and I know I'm right. C7 for the first time in my life. Kind of thing. It's quite nice. And then we're going to hit a G. 1 and 2 and 3 and then on the 4 we're going to do this first finger here on C like a C sus4, sorry, a G sus4, switch my brain on, and then take it off. And then we're going to go to C, 1, 2 and then a G, 2, 3, 4, or maybe a keyboard filling up the gap there, not sure. Okay, then we are into the second verse, which is the same as the first. A little bit louder, blah blah. A minor, E minor, G, C, A minor, E minor, G. And then we hit the chorus for the second time. We're going to go C, 2, 3, 7, F major. G major, 4 and 1 on the 4, 3 and 4, 1, 2, C, 4, 1, 2. And then we're going to descend into the bridge and we're going to strike a B bass in this C chord. So it's going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. And the chord is actually a B flat. So it's an A-shaped bar chord at the first fret, if you like. Now, if this fills you with dread, don't panic. We're just going to play. You can play like this chord, which is a B flat 6, which, look, sure, not the chord, but it allows you to get through the song. So, you know, whatever. It's all right, Neil's not coming around your house to tell you off. C, C over B at the end of the second verse. Then B flat 6. Don't say no. D, G. B flat again. A, D, 3, 4. And then we've got like an instrumental section, which is basically keyboard, Hammond keyboard, I think, having a bit of a noodle. And the chords there are C, A major, E minor, G, C major again, A minor, E minor, F major, another bar, B flat, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or, you know, whichever finger you want to do that with, doesn't matter. Okay, and then we're going to get into the third verse. Now here, an arrangement sort of thing, it goes a bit quiet, so you could just play one strum on the 1, right? So A minor, 3, E minor, 4, and 1, and 2, and then crescendo a little bit, maybe G here. 2, 3, 4, C, A minor, E minor, G major. Here's the last chorus, and you know I'm C, C7, F, G major, sus4 on the 4, A minor, big ending, D7, yeah, then F major, 1G, and then it rounds, which is rallentissimo, which means slow down to a stop, and then it's just going to play a C. There you go. That is how you play Better Be Home Soon by Crowded House on the tiny acoustic guitar. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, please do subscribe. If you're not a subscriber already, there are heaps and heaps of videos here, over 400 different lessons. I know. Anyway, 400 different lessons here, and there are lessons on Tuesdays and on Saturdays. If you're able to support the channel, please do visit my Patreon page at www.com/Simon Morell. That was good, wasn't it? I will see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Let's do a little bit of a play, huh? See you later.